Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TGIN. Today I'm here to show you my favorite part of wash day, which is my deep conditioning treatment. So I'm just here fluffing out my hair. It was freshly washed with the shampoo and conditioner from TGIN. Here's just a quick little length check for you guys. I know you guys don't see my hair often. And here is the hair mask that I've been using. It is the TGIN Honey Miracle hair mask. I love it. The consistency is very marshmallowy. It spreads through my hair super easily, gives my hair a lot of slip, and I have zero issue detangling my hair with this. So I'm just gonna slather all this stuff on my hair and lightly finger detangle, and then follow up with my wide tooth comb to detangle even further. The goal is to keep a detangled head after the deep conditioning process. Do is put on my clear plastic cap and then my turban. I'm going to just do some housework with this on and generate some natural body heat, you know, just to get this going, just to get the heat in the mask to marinate on my head. It's exactly what I need. My hair needs it. It's winter. Shorty do wop pop 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 needs some love on her head, okay? At this point, my hair feels super soft. Here's 360 of what my hair is looking like. Now, I know I look a bit crazy again, but I wish you guys could feel my hair. It is so soft. Guys, there is nothing greater than soft, pillowy, natural curls. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like to see more natural hair videos, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.